Hello, in this video we will be learning how to calculate support from confusion matrix. Support is calculated for all the different classes in a classification example. Now here in this particular example we have an example of binary class where we have two classes, one is negative and positive. Support means the actual number of tuples that belong to negative class, positive class. We can also calculate support for all classes, that means negative and positive class. So if we calculate support for negative class, the actual number of tuples that belong to negative class are Tn plus Fp, and in this particular example their number is 60 and 22. So the support for negative class is 82. Similarly, support for positive class is number of actual records that belong to positive class, which is Fn plus Tp. In this particular example, 8 plus 10, so support for positive class is 18. Now we can also calculate support for all classes, that means negative and positive class. In calculating this, we'll be adding all these numbers and it becomes support of all classes. This also denotes the total number of test cases. Here we have an example where we are given some true labels and the predicted labels. So first of all, we fill the confusion matrix and then find out the support. So here we can see true labels are 0 and 1. That means it is a binary classification problem. 0 represents negative class and 1 represents positive class. So how many records belong to negative class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in true labels, we can count how many records belong to negative class. So there are 5 tuples that belong to negative class. So support for negative class is 5. Similarly, we count number of records that belong to positive class in the true labels, and its number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 number of ones. So support for positive class is 5. Now, in order to fill this confusion metric, how do we fill? In actual, there are 5 records which are negative, but this negative is predicted correctly, this is also predicted correctly, this is also predicted correctly, but these two records are predicted wrongly and they are predicted as positive. So false positive, so there are two number of records, so we write Fp is equal to 2 and we predict 3 records negative as correct. So in actual there are 3 records negative and the model also predicts them as negative. So Tn is equal to 3 and Fp is equal to 2. Similarly, for positive, we count how many tuples belong to positive class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these, this one is predicted correctly. This is also, that means 4 records which are positive, they are also predicted positive by the model. So in actual 4 are positive and it was predicted correctly by the model. But this one was predicted wrongly. So Fn, that means falsely, the model predicted as wrong, negative. So its Fn value is 1. Thank you for watching the video.